Installation of the spandrel panels. For installation of an infill spandrel panel in front of a floor slab, first the panel needs to be installed, and only then the transom at the head of this panel is installed. This installation happens as follows. Guide the spandrel panel into place above the concrete slab and lower down on the glass setting blocks. Put the infill element under an angle to the inside of the building. Install the upper transom. Push the infill element towards the outside in its vertical position. Place the lateral and lower interior glazing beads with their gaskets. If requested for improved thermal performance, glue an additional insulation panel on the back of the installed spandrel panel.